Hello guys and welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to tell you that how you can convert BET files into EXE files. Guys, I have already created some videos like how you can make an a game using notepad, so all those games and a calculator, and there was also one more, I think, folder locker which was in BET. So in this video I will convert them into EXE files. So guys, for that, first of all, you will need to write here BAT to EXE converter, and then just hit enter, and here you will find some links. So here you will see file hippo link, so just click on that and now click on download latest variant, and now I'll click no thanks, and it will redirect me to the download page, and here it will send you pop-up. If you have you're not having an uh, downloader, then it will you will need to download from your browser. So in this case I am having internet download manager, so I'll just download from this manager. So guys, here you can see that it has been downloaded. So now I have clicked on open, and now you can see here, I'll just check that box, and we'll click on next, then again install. Now you have to wait here sometime, and now just click on OK. So after this, now you will need an a BAT file. So in this case I have this folder locker, so first of all I'll just edit it, and I'll scroll down. Where is that password? Okay, so here it is. So what I'll do, I'll just change the password whatever I want. I'll just write that password. In that case I'm writing Pakistan Info TV, and I'll just save the file. Here you can click on just save, and just turn close the window. Now just I'll when I'll open it, it will make a folder, and then I can add everything, anything I want in that folder. And here you can see, if you want to lock the folder, and click right Y and hit enter. So now your folder has been locked. Now to unlock that folder you have to enter the same password. So in this case, anyone can access this password by just editing, just clicking on edit button. So in order to protect your folder, this folder, you have to convert it into exe file. So just click on that one, and you can also find advanced BAT from your checkbox and from the search bar, etc. So after clicking on that, now just you have to open it, or you can directly right click that. So now just go to the file, and I'll just click on open. So here's a complete one. What you have to now do, I can also tell you that just right click and click on this one, so it will automatically do this. So now it has converted into exe file. Okay, so I have also this game here, which I have uploaded the video. If you want to play that game, you can just click on the I button, and you will get this game. So here it is the letter that, please guess the right one. So what should be that letter? Okay, W. Okay, E, he is here. And what will be the letter? And so in the so here it is a game like this. So now anyone can just edit this and find the letters which has these alphabets. Okay, so here I'll just go down, and here are the those words which are included in that game, in this game. So here I can just find that word which I need, and I can simply guess that. in the game directly. Okay, so I am just scrolling down, and where is that one? Okay, I think I have, and have you, I have that letter. That letter is French, and here we go, the letter was French. Well done. So how I have discovered that letter? I've discovered that letter from this code, this whole file. So in order to protect this code, I can just convert it, and now you can see that those I can delete these files, and now this is the application, and no one can access its code, and both are working well. I'll just create a new folder and anything, so I'll just name it subscribe, and I'll create a text document hello. Okay, so at the try I will just name it whatever I want, and after this you can see here like, and again a folder. Okay, I'll just name it here. Okay, and another folder here, and here I'll just rename it. So after this, after this whole thing, now I'll just again click on the folder like, and I'll just lock it. Okay, now when I just double click on it, I have to enter the same password in order to uh, get my folder back. So it is now back. So in the same way, the game is working, and here it has told me that these are the words, and I need to enter the same word. What should, oh, E? No, it's not the French. Then what it is? Z is also not here. O. O is here. Y is also here. M is monkey. Monkey. It is the monkey. Okay, good. So as this letter was monkey, so in this way you can do these whole things. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you do so, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and please like the video and share this video to your friends. We will meet in the next one. Till then, bye bye.